Good morning, children. Have you all enjoyed Adiperku? Yeah, you have. We will go to Riversville with the family during Adiperku, and we will do some puja there. And we all many wish to ride in camel. So we must go the desert. We have such a God's gift with landforms. We want to learn how all these landforms are created. Okay? Let us move. Lesson 4. More landforms.
Students, now I explain about a river. Most rivers begin life as a tiny stream running down a mountain slope. They are fed by melting snow and ice or by rainwater running off. Normally, rivers are formed when snow or large masses of ice called glacier at the top of a mountain melt and flow downhill. They could also be runoff from lakes. Okay, what is the holy river of our India? You know? Yes, Ganga. The Ganga is the most important river of the northern plains of India. Okay, the major sources of the river Ganga is the Gangotri glacier. Okay, the Ganga, one of the tributary river of Ganga river of Yamuna. Yamuna is a tributary river of Ganga. Ganga and Yamuna join at a place near Allahabad. Where is joined? Yes, the Ganga and the Yamuna joined at a place near Allahabad. This place is known as Sangam. Okay, now the world's longest river is the Nile in Africa. Lake Victoria, the largest lake in Africa, is believed to be the main sources of river Nile. This river flows through 10 countries. How many countries? 10 countries. It also passes through the swamp. What is meant by swamp? An area of low-lying ground where water collects and certain kinds of vegetation grow. Okay? Shed and the world's largest hot desert, Sahara. Again one time I explain about Nile. The world's longest river is the Nile in Africa. Okay students? Which river is the longest river of our world? Nile. Where is located? In Africa. Lake Victoria, the largest lake in Africa, is believed to be the main sources of river Nile. This river flows through 10 countries. It also passes through the swamp shed and the world's largest hot desert, Sahara. Okay, now I explain about a tributary. Tributary is a stream or a river that flows into a large river. Okay, what is our tributary rivers of our India? Yamuna, Gomti, Gagra, Gandhar and Kosi. These all the one tributary rivers of Ganga. Okay, you know the Ganga and Yamuna join at a place near Allahabad. Where? Allahabad. This place is also known as Sangam. Okay, the Ganga and the Yamuna joined at a place near Allahabad. This place is known as Sangam. Okay, now I explain about Nile rivers. The White Nile is one of the tributaries of the Nile. In Sudan, another tributary is the Blue Nile join the White Nile to form the River Nile. Okay. Now desert. Deserts are found at around 30° north and south of the equator. Here receive very less or no rain at all and are therefore very hot and dry. Commonly, desert is a flat land covered with a thick sheet of loose sand. Okay, our India have one of the desert, you know. Yes, what is the name of desert? Thar Desert, also known as the Great Indian Desert. Where is located? It lies to the west of the Aravalli Hills. It extends to the state of Rajasthan, Gujarat and parts of Punjab. Okay, the important areas covered by the desert include Barmer, Jaisalmer, Jodhpur and Suratgarh. Okay, we do not find many trees or plants here except for the cactus, acacias and so on. The cactus has leaves like thorns that prevent water from evaporating and animals from eating it. Sometimes we find sources of fresh water around which we can see trees such as date palms. There are few animals that can survive here, such as the scorpion, the desert fox, the camel and so on. Okay, next topic, valley. What is mean by valley? The valleys are low land, normally found between hills or mountain. Valley means low land, normally found between hills or mountain. As river flows down plateau or mountain, they curve out deep gorges and river valleys. Some valleys are formed due to the slow movement of glaciers. Okay, the largest valley in India is Ganga Valley. Where is situated? Situated in Himachal Pradesh. Okay, again one time, valley. Valley means low land, normally found between hills or mountain. Now pass. Passes are narrow passage between mountains. They are used by people to cross the mountains to reach the other side. Passes connected even countries. For example, the Libulek Pass connects India to Nepal. This facilitates trade between countries. Okay? Students, now I explain about plain. Plains are flat areas. They have very rich and fertile soil. As the river deposits minerals and silt that it has carried from its sources. India has the Gangetic Plains located in north part of India. Okay, these regions cover the major part of the northern India. It is a large flat area which is extend from Punjab in the west to Assam in the east. Northern plains provide much better living condition. It is easier to grow crops or build a house in a plain region than a mountain. Okay? Plains are usually densely populated as they are suitable for cultivation of various crops. More flat land is available for building houses, roads, railway lines, airport and so on. Many important cities such as Delhi, New York, Rome and Paris are situated on plains area. They have prospered because they are situated on the banks of river, which helped in setting up of industrious trade and in transportation. Okay children, today we have learned these topics. What are they? River, tributary, desert, valley, plain. Okay? Now I recall river. How do you form? Rivers are formed when snow or large masses of ice called glacier at the top of a mountain melt and flow downhill. Okay. Now tributary. Tributary is a stream or a river that flows into a large river. Now I explain about desert. Desert is a dry, loose and cover area. Normally, deserts are found at around 30 degree north and south of the equator. They receive very less or no rain at all and are therefore very hot and dry. Plains. Plains are flat area. Here have rich and fertile soil as the river deposit minerals and silt that it has carried from its sources. Plains are usually densely populated as they are suitable for cultivation of various crops. Students, we will see next topic in next class. Okay? Thank you.